this is Trisha at HoopDancer Fitness in West Lothian. Thank you so much for joining us for week 2 of our beginners hula hoop series. It's lovely and sunny today, but it's pretty windy as you can see, so you'll just have to excuse the hair and hopefully the sound will record okay on this as well. So, last week we started off with some basic beginner hula hoop moves. We looked at waist hooping and we looked at hooping on the hand. This week I want to focus on some transitions that will allow you to go from waist hooping to hand hooping in one fairly smooth move. So we've got 2 different options that I'm going to do for that, and in today's lesson we are going to look at the basic flip and fold. So what does that look like? So if you are super new to this and you're just starting out, you're maybe thinking, wow, that was a lot of stuff going on there. There's a lot of different little kind of flips and tricks that went into that transition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down step by step really slowly for you so that you can practice through it in your own time and start putting those first 2 moves of waist hooping and hand hooping together. So we're going to break this move down section by section. The point of this move in this particular context is to get it from the waist onto the hand. So we're going to start out with our waist hooping and just get a nice solid pulse going there. Now I want you to think about the direction of the hoop at this point. Mine is travelling round to the right, so I'm going to use my right hand to catch. If your hoop is travelling round to the left, it will be your left hand. And think about and feel into the contact points of the hoop on your body. Is it hitting your abdomen or your tummy, your lower back, just above your hip? Feel those contact points. And what we want to do is be aware of the hoop when it's travelling round towards the side that we're going to catch it. Keep the other hand just out the way at this point and bring this hand round and catch. Now, you will probably find yourself in a slightly twisted diagonal position at this point. So that was step 1, the catch. Step 2, you're going to bring it back to the front and bring the other hand in. So we're pretty much in the same hand position as we were for starting out our waist hooping. The hoop is down at this point, so for step 3 we're going to bring it up in a single flip. So we're just pushing with the hands from here, up above the head, and then step 4, I want you to gently release that down the back, and we finish in this position here. At this point we have effectively got the hoop off of the body, but it's currently jammed on our arms and on the backs of our calves. So what you need to do at this stage is think about your dominant hand, that's the one that's going to take over at this point, and we're going to release the hoop with the other hand. So for me that's my left hand, so I'm literally just going to disentangle my arm and take it out of the way or drop it down by my side, and the hoop is now just resting on that right arm. We are going to extend the right arm out to the side. At this point the hoop is still wrapped around the arm. It's in the palm of my right hand, but the hoop itself is coming across the front of my forearm and down, and we basically need to disentangle this arm as well and get the hoop in an upright position. In order to do this we are going to push the hoop or flip it up, over, all the way around and then into an upright position. So it's kind of like unraveling the hoop off of the arm. So we're flipping over, over and up. Once we have got the hoop up here, it's just a case of getting it down and getting the hand hooping going. So we're literally just going to bring the hoop in front of us, ready to hand hoop. But what you will notice is your hand is on the upper outside of the hoop, and that's not what we need for hand hooping. We need to be inside the hoop with our L shape from last week to get that spin going. So how do we go from being up here to inside the hoop? In order to execute this twiddly little move, what we're going to do is we're going to transfer the hoop from in the palm of the hand for a split second onto the thumb, and then the L shape is coming in. Let's try and do that slow motion. Once we have performed our little trick with the thumb and the fingers to get the hoop going on the hand, that's us into our hand spinning, and if you like you can experiment with the directionality, take the hoop around the side of the body or back onto the front plane. You could play with the opposite direction and bring the hoop spinning on the hand in towards the body instead. And don't forget to pop it on the other hand and just give it a little shot on there as well. So let's just recap with a quick run through of the waist hooping into the flip and fold and finishing on our hand hooping. So checking in with our posture again, because we haven't done that today. The legs are hip distance apart, the pelvis is tucked in, the shoulders are back, the hoop is nice and level, we're giving it that gentle push off. And we're waiting on the hoop, coming round, feeling the contact points on the body, and we are stalling, coming back to the front, grasping with that hand, flipping over and over, release with the non-dominant hand, bring the dominant hand out to the side, and at this point, if you remember, we are unravelling the hoop from around the arm, so we're flipping over, over and up. You're then bringing it down in front of you, and we're performing our little fiddly thumb onto the L-shaped trick to get it spinning on the hand. Thanks for joining us again, guys, on this super duper windy Scottish day. Where is summer at this point? I'm starting to wonder. At least it's not raining. So yeah, I hope this video turns out okay. If not, I'll be back to record again with better sound and less wind, if that's possible in this country. Do tune in again next time, where we will be looking at the escalator, which is another jazzy little trick for getting the hoop off of the waist and onto the hand. In the meantime, do hit subscribe and follow our channel so that you're first to know when I post new videos. Hit us up on Facebook and Instagram as well.